So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can color grade your D-Log M footage shot on the DJI Osmo Nano in DaVinci. So let's jump straight into it. Okay, so this is the footage we want to color grade, and there's two methods I'm going to show you to color grade the footage. First of all, the simple one. You can add a color space transform. On the input color space, you can select the DJI D gamut. On the input gamma, you can select Rec 709. On the output color space, you can select the Rec 709, and output gamma, you can select Rec 709 if you are using Windows system, and if you are into Mac system, you can use Rec 709A. And after that, you can add your adjustments, you can do all the color you want to add. So for the method 1, what we did is we converted the D-Log M footage to Rec 709. Then we did all the editing. But what we want to do for more professional way is we want to add a color space transform on the first, and then we want to add another at the end. We don't just want it to transform to Rec 709. We want the log footage, we want to edit on the log footage, and then at the end we want to transform it to Rec 709. That's how we can edit, I can manipulate all the colors in the whole log range. So for that, what we want to do is on the first color space transform node, select the input color space DJI D gamut. For input color gamut, select Rec 709. For output color space, select DaVinci wide gamut, and output gamma is DaVinci intermediate. And on the last node, we can select for the input color space DaVinci wide gamut, the input gamma DaVinci intermediate, and for color space output color space gamma, we can select Rec 709, and for the output gamma, select Rec 709 for Windows and Rec 709A for Apple. Yeah, simple as that. And now what we are going to do is we are going to do all the adjustment, all the color settings, everything in between these two nodes. So like I have added a simple curve, I have added a simple saturation. I mean, see, if you color grade the footage in right way, the D-Log M footage looks beautiful. I mean, just see the shadows, the highlights, all the sky, all the shadows, everything is perfectly balanced. It was shot in auto mode without ND filter with this tiny camera. Also, if you guys are interested about this camera, the DJI Osmo Nano, do check out the review I have posted in my channel already, and I will put the link up somewhere here. So yeah, you guys can check that out if you are interested. And yep, that's it for today's video. If you guys have any question, do let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys next one. Till then, tada.